Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about the Symmetry tool without the Symmetry tool. The Symmetry tool, so this is part 2 if you want to watch part 1. Started in X8 or above, I'm almost 100% sure. But I said in that video that you can only do like a two object symmetry, but you can draw in more. So I'm going to make a vertical and a horizontal line and hit P. And then I'm going to draw with my freehand tool, I'm going to draw a shape and put it like right there. Now we can go, and we don't have to smooth it out prior, but you could smooth this out and kind of get what you want. And then what you can do is Control K or alternate C or clone. I made mine for that. You have to get the 2-point line and move it over there. And then Control D to make a duplicate and move it down, and then Control D to make a duplicate and move it over. Now this is still your control curve, so we can take the shape tool, and when we move this, it moves them out on all of them. So you can kind of draw. It's still not as cool as the Symmetry tool, because the Symmetry tool can actually work without the line. You know, you can draw stuff over here. We'll just demonstrate it in case you ever want to upgrade. So we're going to go to Object Symmetry, New Symmetry, and we're going to make 2 symmetries. And so with the Symmetry tool, you don't have to go to the line. You can freehand something over here, and it's going to make that. Same thing with the line. You just can't really do it without this tool. Then if you draw a circle, it puts a circle on all those spots and just keeps going. But with that said, you could still use it just like I did in the other video. Let's go ahead and finish that. Take that away, open the Symmetry tool again, which is under Object Symmetry, create a new symmetry. We'll go ahead and you could do multiples. You could do a lot. I mean, put a square there and it puts the square all the way around. So if you haven't ever seen that, but let's get it back to 2, or just 1, and do what I just did and you'll see how it works. It's going to make the exact copy as I did in part 1. It's making a clone of this side, of this other item, so you can change. And the reason I think it's important, because you can see in real time what that's going to look like. No matter, if you want to add a node there and bring that in, it does it on both sides. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.